Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty and easy Oreo cheese balls. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 packets of Oreo biscuits, which is approximately to 208 grams. 1 packet of white chocolate, or you can use a brown chocolate. And lastly, you're going to need some cream cheese. Place your Oreo's cookies in a food processor or in a blender and blend your Oreo's cookies till you have small cookies crumbs like this. The next step, you're going to make our Oreo cheese balls. In a medium-large bowl, you're going to add your blended Oreo cookies. Then afterwards, add your cream cheese as you can see in the video. The amount of cream cheese is going to depend until you can able to make some small balls. Using your hands, you're going to mix the 2 ingredients very well until you can able to make some small balls. Once everything is well combined, then afterwards you're going to make some medium small balls as you can see in the video. Continue shaping your Oreo cheese balls until you're done with the whole mixture. After approximately 5 to 7 minutes, I'm done shaping my Oreo cheese balls as you can see in the video. Then it's high time to dip our Oreo cheese balls into the white chocolate. So the next step, I'm going to melt my white chocolate. Like I said, you can use a brown chocolate or dark chocolate, that's up to you. Cut it into small pieces and melt it in the microwave for at least 40 seconds to 1 minute. Then afterwards, I'm going to take 1 Oreo cheese ball at a time and I'm going to apply the white chocolate as you can see in the video. The next option, you can just dip the Oreo balls into the melted chocolate. Make sure the balls are completely covered with the white chocolate. I'm done dipping the white chocolate into the Oreo cheese balls as you can see in the video. I'm going to place them in the fridge for at least 20 minutes so that the white chocolate can able to dry. Lastly, I'm going to drizzle extra white chocolate on top as you can see in the video, or you can decorate them with some crushed Oreo biscuits. And my Oreo cheese balls are ready as you can see in the video. They look so good, so tempting and so tasty. I'm going to cut one of the Oreo cheese ball into 2 so you can able to see the inside of the Oreo cheese ball. Like you can see, it looks like a cake. It's so tasty. Enjoy with a cup of tea or milk. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.